can't stay. It's cold outside. I've got to go away. It's cold outside. This evening has been.
Hello, this is Robin Hart with the Robin Chandler Hart Group and Jim Sinix. And today we are going to make this buffalo cauliflower recipe off of our Living Well newsletter that we send out. So if you're interested in getting any of our newsletters and following along with us while we make the recipes on the back, send us a DM with your address and we'll make sure that you get these in the mail. Okay, so we're going to start with our buffalo cauliflower, and Jim has already prepared the ingredients. So
as you can see,
what you've got here.
So we didn't want to waste your time watching me chop up a bunch of cauliflower. So here it is in our nice blue bowl.
Got 8 cups of cauliflower.
Ready to go. And we've got 2 types of hot sauce. We have Red Hot, original Frank's Red Hot, and we have Sriracha, which we love the Sriracha. And a couple other ingredients.
2 tablespoons of each.
2 tablespoons of those. A tablespoon of butter, but we like butter, so there might be a little extra in there. But I don't know. It's a little heavy, but. And then you've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Again, I think I probably added a little extra.
You can never have too much sauce. Yeah. I'm a saucy kind of girl, aren't I, Jim?
Oh, she loves the buffalo sauce. So 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, correct?
Correct. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
A pinch of salt, which is actually a quarter teaspoon, right?
I believe so. We preheated the oven to 450 degrees. So now we're ready to start preparing our buffalo cauliflower. And as you can tell, it's Christmas time.
Yeah, these are festive and convenient.
Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by preparing the cauliflower. So we are going to pour the olive oil and the salt over the cauliflower, mix it up really well. My handy assistant here is going to do all that. Chef Jim.
Chef Jim in a onesie. Looking good.
And Jim has lots of great stories about his days in the restaurant industry.
Oh, yes. Stories that some can be told and some cannot.
We are thinking of starting a channel with Jim's stories. So if you're interested in that, let us know and we'll get that going.
So we'll just give it a little toss here real quick. Get that evenly coated, or at least as evenly coated as we can.
So our Living Well magazine has healthy recipes as well as some lifestyle tips on it. So it's kind of a nice little thing to get in the mail.
So we're going to go ahead and add this to the pan, which we have pre-coated with some cooking spray. All of that nice cauliflower down in there. Get it nice and even. And then we're going to go ahead and put that in the oven. That's going to take a little time.
So we are going to roast that for 15 minutes, although we think it might need a little more than that, so we'll come back to you in 15 minutes.
And while we're waiting, I think we'll have a glass of wine.
Okay, so while that cauliflower is roasting in the oven for 15 minutes, we are going to make the buffalo sauce. First, we are going to mix together the hot sauce, sriracha, butter, and lemon juice in a large bowl. So again, we have 2 tablespoons of hot sauce.
Delicious.
And 2 tablespoons of sriracha. I think that's the sriracha. Now we're going to add some butter. A tablespoon of butter.
A little lemon juice.
And now we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to mix that all up together.
Robin wants a chicken tender that's dipping this.
Yes. If you know me, you know that I eat a lot of chicken tenders tossed in hot sauce. Gotta have the hot sauce though.
Is it so?
And if you have a really good ranch, that's even better.
So healthy. So healthy. All right, so now we're just waiting on the cauliflower. Would you like a drink?
That's spicy. And while we're waiting on our cauliflower, we're gonna have a nice little glass of wine.
Salute. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everyone. More of this later.
Happy holidays to you. All right, our cauliflower is done. It's roasted. We're going to take it out of the oven now and sauce it up.
Yeah, now that we've got a good little wine buzz going. Oh, look at that cauliflower, looking good.
Nice and toasty.
So we're going to get this in the bowl so we can toss it in hot sauce. So here we go. Robin, hold that beautiful cauliflower up while I toss it for us.
All right.
Ooh, don't want to get that anywhere.
Lots and lots of hot sauce. Saucier, the better.
Yeah, you're saucy, all right.
I have a nickname. My daughter calls me this. Now all her friends. There's a story behind it, but we'll save that for another day. What's my nickname, Jim?
Spicy meatball.
Yeah, kind of fitting. I do like things spicy.
Yes, but where's the meatball part come in? All right, we were successfully tossed. So we're going to plate it here. Bring up our little bit of color.
Gotta have celery and blue cheese to go along with your cauliflower.
Whenever you eat buffalo, it seems like you're going to eat some blue cheese, right? All right, there you go.
All right, and here you have it. This is our buffalo cauliflower dish, which I'm going to feed to Jim here. Fresh out of the oven, really hot.
Give me some. Yes, there you go.
Dip it.
Okay. Delicious.
Delicious? All right.
My turn.
Okay, so.
You can handle it. Robin, you want to let them know where they can contact us?
All right, so we are the Robin Chandler Hart Group with EXP Realty. And if you'd like to get this recipe and many others, please give us a call or find us on Facebook or Instagram, Robin Chandler Hart Group. Send us a message and with your address, and we will mail these out. And follow us on YouTube as well and watch us make these videos.
All right, thank you so much, and have a great holiday season, and we will see you in the new year.